Okay, so I'm working on my perfect GoPro vlogging setup, and what you're looking at the moment is I have the Be Stable Cam tripod along with the Smatry Portable Osmo Pocket Power Stick, and this is the one that actually comes with the handheld smartphone holder. And what this is it's a 5,000 milliamp battery bank that's built into this. And this particular one, you can get it just as this, or you can get it with the handheld smartphone holder, which comes with some other bits and pieces, which are these adapters. And so basically what this does, you have this on here, and you can put your DJI Osmo in this, and then it will charge it. Or you put this adapter in there, which is a quarter 20 bolt, basically, that sticks out the top of it, and then you would put the DJI Osmo in this, and then this is a phone holder that you can screw up and down, and so then that would screw onto the quarter 20. However, I'm using it for a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Oops. And so you can kind of see the setup that I have here. Now I got this idea from Air Photography, which I have up here on my screen. It's called My 2019 Minimalist GoPro Camera Travel Kit. Every time I say it takes off. And so what this allows me to do is I have the tripod here, and then I could actually unscrew this, and now I can use this just as a selfie stick. And I don't have to worry about constantly taking the camera out of the case in order to swap the batteries out so I can keep recording. However, what I had tried to do was mimic what this gentleman had in his kit, and I couldn't find the FeiyuTech charging handle anywhere, and I got lucky and found this, which works perfect, and it's a perfect match. The only thing that I did run into was this tripod is a little bit larger than what I would like. I mean, this thing is stupid stable. I mean, look how big that is. I want to say that each of these is like 6 inches. This isn't going anywhere. However, the way that he had it set up is he was using this FeiyuTech V2 700 extension, and so you could, there you go, you could raise this thing up. You gotta turn it, lock it, John, and I'll show you the way that he had his set up. Gave you a lot of flexibility. So you can see have the tripod here. I'm trying to figure out how to do this, right? And then you could also screw this onto the end of it. So if I was using this, needing a stand this tall, let me see if I don't know if all this will fit. You can see that's that's long. I don't know, that's probably 4 foot, probably, somewhere in that area. If I was using that much height and needed that much height, then I could definitely see where, you would this big. Let's say that you're not going to be going out and extending that height, but you just want to be able to set this somewhere and still be able to capture some good footage or some good pictures or whatever it is. So I got looking for one that's a little bit smaller, and what I had run across was a small tripod that's also made by FeiyuTech. There we go. And this, I ordered it on eBay, and it's called the FeiyuTech Tripod Stand Mount Base Holder for Handheld Gimbal Camera Stabilizer. I don't know that that's the real name of it. The box just says FeiyuTech Gimbal Tripod. The part number is Q3A3. Q3A3. As you can see, it's a smaller box. And it appears to be a simple design. I paid $9.80 is what I paid for this. And let's get this guy open. See what it's all about. I've noticed that FeiyuTech, I mean, their products are pretty nice quality. And this really doesn't feel any different. So it's made out of plastic. It's got little rubber feet. And when it's enclosed to where it's almost a perfect circle. So it's got a nice feel. You could even probably use this as a small grip for a GoPro or something to that effect. It's black. It matches pretty much the rest of the setup, and then it has FeiyuTech's name right there, and a little piece of rubber on the top with the 1/4 thread right there. And when you open it up, I'm going to say this is about a 6-inch circumference. That's here. But like I said, it's plastic, but I don't see this being a quality issue. I think it will hold up unless you run over it in the car. But the plastic it's fairly thick. I mean, nothing looks cheap about it. Yeah. My camera's hooked up to my TV, so if you see me not looking directly at the lens but kind of past it, that's what I'm doing, trying to see what I'm seeing or what you're seeing. So this is really, really nice. So here it is. We're going to take try to remember all these names. Smatry. And let's screw this guy on here. So I'm going on a cruise in a couple of weeks, so that's why I'm trying to hurry up and put something together. And I like that. Let's move it right there. What do you think? Nice. Yeah, it's a nice setup. So that's it. Stable. Not going anywhere. It's about 6 inches diameter, but it's only about 3 inches in length. So it's not really much longer than the handle. So I'll probably just leave this on here, to be honest. Oh well, unless I've got it in my bag, then I'll have to take it off. So yeah, I'm very happy. The color, everything ties in really well with the rest of the look. Everything matches, and so I think this is going to be my perfect setup right here. I think this is going to work. If I didn't mention, this is the Ulanzi case here, along with the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, and then the UTG, I think it's ETM-001. There's a video on all of this, and that's kind of the setup that I have going on. And so this is going to work. I'm going on a cruise, going to Mexico, Key West, and this is going to be perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And I don't know that I would use this tripod with this extension if you got to extend it all the way up, but right here it's not going anywhere. I mean, that's pretty stable. So yeah, that's a look at the FeiyuTech tripod. What are they calling it? What they're calling it on there is too long. It's the gimbal tripod. The part number is Q3A3. So that's it, man. I appreciate everybody checking it out, and anybody has any questions, feel free to post it below. Okay? All right, thanks. Bye.